Hey, hello, good morning, everyone. So, this is me, Jey Ganesan from SphereSkill Technologies, empowering tomorrow's learning. So, today I have brought one of the interesting topic, automating Excel attendance and sending report on daily basis using Outlook. So, we are going to interconnect Excel with Outlook and going to send attendance report by validating using VB scripting. So yesterday we have provided the introduction to scripting. So scripting, how do we have to start, what developer mode we have to use, we have seen it yesterday. So if you guys have not gone through the video, I will leave the link in the top. You can pick up the card and then go through with the card and then continue this session. Okay, so this will be like a continuous to the previous session. So what we are going to do, I have already explained, which is like a attendance automatic reporting system which will send reports based on the button click event. Okay, so without any delay, let us get it started, guys. So before that, let me ask you, have you subscribed it? If not, please find the link below. Do subscribe and then like this video if you found it to be useful, and share this video with your colleagues and friends who are interested in learning Excel and further AI based automation, right? So we are going to bring advanced features which will help you getting expertise in Excel and AI based integration in Excel. So we have covered so much of topics and we are going to see furthermore advanced Excel. So let us get started, guys.
SphereSkill Technologies, empowering tomorrow's learning.
Welcome back, guys. So let us see how to validate the attendance report using scripting. Okay, so we have a data set of attendance. Okay, so we have already having a check-in and check-out time. So what we are going to do, we are going to calculate what is the working hour and whether they are present for full day or off day. We are going to calculate, and then we are going to send email from this Excel sheet that this many number of employees are being present and their working status with their working hours. Okay, so let us identify how we can able to achieve this. So how we are getting it? So we are getting working hours which will be of, so what is the working hours? It will be 9 hours 5 minutes. So let us check how we can able to get the working hours and then status. So for that, what we are going to do, we are going to get this as a attendance sheet. We are renaming it because we will be using this in our VBA script. Okay. So what we are going to do, we are going to insert two buttons. So where is our developer option is here. We have a insert, we have insert of two buttons. So one button we will be inserting is as a validate. We'll just format it. So in this we can able to change the name of the caption. Okay, I'll show you how to do that. So here is that one command button. Okay, so we will check it as a valid. So we are having a button called validate. So we will be adding a code to this in similar manner. So we will be adding a button called send mail. Okay, so we are going to have two functions. One will be of sending emails, another one will be validating the attendance report. Okay, just type it as a send mail. This for our reference only, so you can able to type anything in this for your understanding. Now let us see how we can able to validate with. So for this we have to go to a developer mode, so where we can go to the visual basics. So that is from your developer in visual basics. I will zoom it for you guys. So you can see developer visual basic option. So that option you have to go. From there you can able to get the content. Okay, so what we have written here in this workbook, okay, of attendance.xls. So what we have given, so we have set this workbook as a attendance. This is a script actually. So I'm just going through with the script. So you can understand, try to understand this. If not, you can get it from the AI generated and you can just add it to this particular place. It will start working. So we have created generate attendance as one function. Okay, so we are going to call this generate attendance in our button click event. Okay, how we can able to call, I will show it to you. Now this workbook we have got it as a attendance here. So mainly this particular worksheet has to be with the name of attendance. If not, you will get an error here. So we are going to start the row from A and till the end of the Excel where it is having the last line. Okay. So we are declaring the variables I, check-in, work hours, has errors and has error as a boolean, and we are declaring has error as a false. Initially we are declaring like error is not there. If it is error is there, then it will get assigned to false. When it is going with the for loop, it will check if there is a error is or there or not. Now we are clearing the data A to into H. So if anything is there, it will get cleared. Okay, so where it will get cleared, I will show you. So this particular portion, it will get cleared. Status will be getting cleared in case if it is having any data when we are validating this record. Next, for I equal to 2 means to the last row. So what we are taking, I equal to 2, why we are taking, because the one first row is having a header. So we are picking it from the second row, okay, to the Excel last row. Okay, if you see here, we are having a Excel last row. Till this row the loop will be executing. Okay, that is how I equal to 2 to last row. Validate check-in and check-out. Okay, so first concept what we are going to do is we are going to validate check-in and check-out. Okay, so if the cell value is blank, then throw an error and then highlight it like it should be in red color. We have given VB red interior color so that it will be highlighted and told how it will be. So if it is validated, then check in and check out, check the work hours. Okay, check out minus check in into 24. Okay, which means we are taking it into the 24 format. In that we are check out and check in, we are minusing it so that we will get what is the productive hours here. Next is your attendance status. If work hour is greater than 8 hours in a day, then it is like present for the day. If work hour is greater than 5 for a day and less than 8 hours, okay, so then see if it is greater than 8, it will go to this particular case, right? So if it is less than 8 and if it is greater than 5, then it will fall into this if else if condition. Then mark it as a half day. Okay, if it is like less than 5, okay, less than 5, it will be marking it as a absent. So this is what it is going to be. We will check this condition by marking the attendance over there. And then what we have done, we have also doing uh, validating the errors. Okay, so if it is has a error in the top, we are validating the error, right? So if it is has an error, we are declaring a message box as a VB critical saying that attendance validation failed, please correct highlighted cells. If it is validated, we are providing attendance generated successfully. This is also a information. So here the function is ending. Next, we are going with the attendance sending function. Okay, I will explain this also. You guys can follow if you can. If not, you can also copy this content. If you want this content, you please leave me a text comment. So I will share the content with you all. Okay. Now send attendance email. This is one function we are declaring. We are going to call the Outlook app and Outlook mail. So these two as an object we have declared. So we are declaring WS as a worksheet and WS we have assigned to attendance worksheet. Okay, so this is very important. We are assigning WS to attendance worksheet. So the worksheet name has to be mandatorily attendance here. If not, you can take it as a this worksheet also. So whichever the worksheet you are working, which will be taking it across. Okay, yesterday we have taken it as a this worksheet. I don't know if you guys are able to recollect it. I will show it to you later after this. Okay. So set Outlook app equal to create Outlook.application. So we are going to connect with Outlook.application using macros. So this has to be saved as a macros enabled worksheet. If macros is disabled, this function will not work. So Outlook mail equal to Outlook app dot create item. So we are creating a new item here. What we are creating, dim last row as a long. So we are going to get what is the last row here by using ws.cell. So here what is the ws? Ws is your attendance worksheet. So in the attendance worksheet, what is the last cell, last row count? We are getting it from here, and then we are going into the body text as a string. So we are declaring the body. So this is what body text equal to today's attendance report. It is a static information we have provided. Next, body text equal to table border cell padding of 5. In cell padding 5, table border will be created for how many lines, how it is been available as per the last line of this. Next, body text, we are giving the name, employee ID, name, status, working hours. So this is how the report is going to be prepared. So this is a header which is been prepared here. So if you see here, we have a for loop which is been running on. We are declaring the dim as a long here, I equal to 2 to the last row. So first I, it starts from the second line. So we are getting body text, body text plus tr. So tr is a table row creation. Okay, so table td is a table data. So these are like something HTML script language. So you guys might be aware. If you are not aware, we will capture some HTML in our upcoming sessions as well. Okay, so TD, it's like ws.cell I comma 1. Okay, what is I here? I is the integer, sorry, a long variable of which is running in the for, which will be incremental to each and every loop. Okay, so it will run into a loop. What is ws is a attendance here, right? So in the attendance sheet, in the cell, what is I now? It is 2. First loop it will run with 2 comma 1 with that value. So that is how it will be taking it. So for what, 2 comma 1 in the first cell, first one which will be taking into the body text of td first. Next same way second, next same way eighth, next same way seventh. So we will check how it will be. Okay, I will show you. So you guys see here what we are getting, employee ID as a 1 and name as a 2, and then 8 and 7 we are getting. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Status as your third record, then working hours we are getting. So that is how this loop is being designed. Okay, so what will happen next to here? Next record it will go. Next I means it is incremental of I. So I equal to 3 it will become, right? So in this loop what will happen? It will go to the same sheet. It will pick up the third record and 1. And then second, 8, 7. That is how it will do. So here how it will get added? Employee ID, name, next status and working hour. So that is why status is coming as a 8. So you guys has to understand. If you understand, you can start coding on yourself. If not, as I have told you, you can pick it up from your AI system also. Okay, now body.text equal to body.text with the table. Okay, so here we are calling the Outlook mail. We have already declared to whom it has to go. It has to go to hr@gbsystems.info. Subject equal to daily attendance report with the date. Today's date it will take it. HTML format body.text. We have already declared body. Now display send to auto. So this is a commented line, so it will automatically display and enter. So this is the function which we have seen here by using VB script. Okay, so yesterday we have seen something. I will show you that as well. Let us see what we have completed yesterday. So that is in your scripting, right? So in your scripting, so what we have done, we are declaring the validation and then we are continuing with the active sheet. Okay, so here what we have done, auto detect active sheet we have function used. So set ws equal to active sheet. So whereas in attendance what we are doing, we are setting as a this worksheet dot sheet attendance. So when you set it as an active sheet, it will automatically take it as an active sheet. But when you keep put it as an attendance, then you have to mandatorily set the form name as a attendance. Sorry, worksheet name as a attendance. So the scripting portion is completed. Let us see how we can able to connect the macros. Okay, so for connecting the macros, we can go to the button assign macros. You can see one function called assign macros. So for validate, we are going to validate this workbook generate attendance. So that is for the macros which we are going to use in the assign macros. Whatever the functions is available in the scripting, that will come. So this is a scripting this thing. So this workbook that generate attendance is the one which we are going to use it in the validate. Okay, so that is been done. So next is your send mail. So for your attendance sending mail, we are going to use send attendance email function. Okay, so that attendance email function will send you the attendance. Okay, so now let us see. I will remove some conditions here and then we will check it up what will happen. So first we are going to click validate. See, validate attendance validation failed. Please correct highlighted cells. Now what happened here? Attendance validation has been failed for these two rows because it is not having a check-in and check-out time. So now we will add some attendance time for this, and for this also we will add less than 5 hours. So what happens in less than 5 hours? So it will not be considered at all, right? So I'm marking as a 11 o'clock. So let us see what validation we are going to get for this two. So now, so it is validated, so it is considered like 1 hour 25 minutes which will be absent. Okay, so if I put this as a, let us say 13. So now let us see what will happen. So 3 hours 25 minutes is still considered as a absent. So now let me put it as a 14. 4 hours 25 minutes is also a considered as a absent. Now let us make it as a 15. So now what will happen? 5 hours 25 minutes. Our condition is what? Above 5 hours is half day. So it has to commit as a half day now. Let us check. See here. So our condition of the if for loop and then if loop is working here. If condition is validated, each and every record is being taken starting from the for loop of 2 and then it is incrementing by next I, right? So I equal to 2 we have taken because from the second line. So it is validating perfectly. Now how to send mail? I have 3 present and then I have 2 half days. Okay, so we will make as one also not absent. Shall we make it? So what we will do, we will change this to 12. Validate. So absent. One fellow is been less than. So this is all the conditions which you define. Okay, based on the conditions only it is coming as absent. Don't ask me like the user has worked for 3 hours 42 minutes. Why are you marking it as absent? That is based on the condition. Okay, now send mail. So look at here guys. So what we have got, we got the email which is been drafted ready. So to the HR and with the attendance system with the date. So we have seen how it is coming and the table is been created. So TR with the heading which is been provided static and this input is being taken from your Excel data, right? So now you click send mail. Attendance is sent. You see guys, so how easy it is. So you are having thousands of employees, you can validate it on one time and then you can send a mail. So what you have to do is you have to update the check-in check-out of that day every day and then send the email. So we have sent mail, so whether it is been sent or not, how do we will know? We will know by using the Outlook. So we are interconnecting with the Outlook, right? So here is the attendance which has been sent. So whether the attendance is received or not, we will go and check it. So now I'm in the mail ID of hr@gbsystems.info. So wherein daily attendance report has come across here. So this is your daily attendance, right? So we got the email also successfully sent. So this is easy, right? So we will see furthermore ideas in the upcoming session. So if you want to have a specific topic covered under scripting, you are facing daily challenges, please leave me a comment. So we will start working on those challenging subject and we will cover up that as well. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Hope this was an informative session. Today we have seen how to generate the auto attendance report and send email functionality using Outlook and by using scripting. We have created two functions and then sent email successfully, received the email also successfully. So if you like this video and found this content to be useful, leave me a like and share this video with your colleagues and friends for their betterment on their Excel prospect, right? And do subscribe to our channel so you will get such type of informative content on daily basis. And leave me a comment how do this helps on your daily activity, and what is the next topic you would like to cover, so which will help in your improvement of your Excel activities, right? Okay guys, I will see you tomorrow. I wish you all a happy weekend, and this is me, Jey Ganesan, signing off for today. Thank you everyone.